In this video, we will see how to underline in Google Docs. There are three methods. Let's see each method one by one. To underline, first select the word of your choice. Then go to the format option, and under the format option, here you will see text. Under the text, you will see this third option, underline. Clicking on it will underline the word. The next option is by clicking the U icon here, which is the underline option. Clicking on it will also underline the word. And the last option is using a shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and U to underline the word. For Mac users, you can press Command and U on your keyboard to underline the word. Check out this interesting and useful playlist if you use Google Docs frequently. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell notification icon so you won't miss any useful updates like this. Thank you.